Ladies and gentlemen, clear a little space. DJTEXX is stepping out to take his place. Country meets tango and the rhythm connects. Grab yourself a partner, it's Tango with Texx. All night long he keeps the whole room moving, reads every heartbeat, knows what keeps them grooving. Then somebody shouts, set that DJ free. His favorite song drops and he takes the lead. Tango with Texx when he steps from the decks. Country in the heartbeat, tango in the steps. Spin me around, everybody knows what's next. We all come alive when you tango with Texx. The fiddle cuts sharp while the bandoneon cries. He crosses the room with a fire in his eyes. One smooth turn and the whole crowd shouts yes. Nobody works a tango quite like DJTEXX. Tango with Texx when he steps from the decks. Country in the heartbeat, tango in the steps. Spin me around, everybody knows what's next. We all come alive when you tango with Texx. Behind the decks, he's the king of the sound. Out in the action, he's the best around. Set him free and place your bets. Tonight belongs to Tango with Texx. He can command the music, he can command the show. The louder they cheer, the harder he'll go. Country and tango in a red-hot mix. Everybody came to party with DJTEXX. Tango with Texx when he steps from the decks. Country in the heartbeat, tango in the steps. Spin me around, everybody knows what's next. We all come alive when you tango with Texx. Tango with Texx. Tango with Texx. Country in the heartbeat, tango in the steps. One more time, come. Tango with Texx.